Will's motor blew up.
No.
I got 2 tools for new crews. RIP to the DJ. Fuck you for life. Yeah. You can't put your trust in no man, you can't even trust your hoe. You can't put your trust in no man, you can't even trust your bro. You can't put your trust in no man, you can't even trust the dough man. You can't put your trust in no man.
I'm not gonna throw you good shit, man. What the fuck? Can't even see.
Like the greatest story told. Keep your glory golden glitter.
Battling the demons, wondering what's the name in case we're breathing. Is it money, fame, or neither? I've been
Baby, if you look good, now look like you use like the crew and keep the vibe in case I wanna fuck a diamond to look at me.
Alright guys, it's been a minute since we filmed, but we're back at the house. Joel welded a little piece onto the actuator for the turbo to extend the arm out, so that's a lot. Then over here, he got my little nipple welded on for the turbo, and he got a bung welded on as well. And I'm talking about this Joel, not Joel Wilson. So there's a lot of Joels in the drift community, but he's got some wiring right here. Also got this K&N air filter, super small, it'll be tucked. So Joel's just wiring up the air sensor, map sensor.
Hit the pedal real quick. So there's your TPS. So as you press it, it goes up. So 0 to 100. Floor it. That was floored.
They made a mistake on their first qualifying run and had to redo and start at the bottom. They always get to the top. Very rare.
Alright guys, we're back at it, me and Gabe. So we're doing the head. We're just re-guiding it so everything's all correct. Alright, we got our measurements here. Everything's pretty much 3-0. We got some 286s, 285 here, which is a thou off, so it's no worries. 290 right here. So we may swap these over here so they're a little closer, and then everything else is pretty much stock at 3 or 3.03 or 3.04, 3.0. All right guys, so I got my first rocker arm grinded down. See how the right, oh sorry guys, so there we go. So that's in. I'm trying to get this so I could show you guys. There we go. Let's get that one in. Okay, cool, perfect. So this is the good side. That was the side I had to grind. All right guys, so you're gonna have guides on your left side of each valve, and then you're gonna have a flat top shim. We're changing out those flat tops for these ones right here. This is what it looks like. If you've already taken your motor apart, you kind of know. So I got these out. The left side fits fine. So see, there's play. This right here, nothing. Can't even get it in. So you're gonna use a grinding wheel or a sanding stone or a grinding stone or sandpaper, whatever. I tried all that, it was hard as shit. So I bought one of these for 44 bucks, Harbor Freight. All right guys, so the rocker arms are all completed and done. I shaved off all the right sides, so we're good to go. Next up would be just re-bleeding the lifters to be safe, and then putting everything back together. So right now, guys, our guides are a little off, so we're just double checking them for the fucking 10th time. Excuse my language, but Adam's a pro at this, so we're gonna get it going. We checked every other shim that me and Gabe did, and everything checked out. Yeah.
You might have to torque down your crank. I give it a little bit of a
Want to hear the good news or bad news? I forgot the kill switch thing.
No.
No, I'm just playing.
Ah.
Go. It just takes a couple clicks.
I think that white mark's 10. I'm not sure.
No, it was just
John said -5. Right?
So having a wife that actually does car shit is
It's a party here.
SR20
So the ticking noise is gone, but now we have this noise. So we're trying to figure out now what this noise is. We fixed the.
Something's still unhappy about it. Is it running?
All right, so we just pulled back up to Adam and Judy's, and we just seen that. That's not fucking correct.
Woo, purse! What do you think, Will?
All right, so we fixed it. It was the VTC solenoid on the front right here for the S15 SR. Judy and Adam helped me out a ton. We put some 2050 in. No, I make as much.
Go forward. Hey, hold on. Go ahead. I'll get your mirror right here. Yo, that's a sick car, bro. What do you do for a living?
I work at Pizza Hut.
Oh, that's sick, man. You deliver pizzas?
So happy, guys. I will see you guys next Friday. Vegas Strip, June 28th. If I'm driving, come ask for a ride along. I'm sweating so bad right now. Jeez. Vegas heat, baby. All right, so motor and everything's cool. I only noticed one leak, which is coming from the chain tensioner. I'm gonna go ahead and address that now. All right, guys, super early in the morning, dyno day. So got over here to pick up Gabe. All right, guys, just got over to Jesse's house. We're gonna put this thing on the dyno and see what kind of numbers we make. Scratch that, he said 410. Marco's on the computer, so he's gonna fucking make it. But if it doesn't go good, this is the All right, so on the last pull, we just did 353, so that's my number. All right, guys, we're done with the dyno. We did something right. We didn't grenade the engine, thank God. Me and Gabe are done for the day. Car made 353, 16 pounds of boost, but cutting at 5,700 RPM. So Marco's gonna come check out the RPM issue, and we're gonna go from there, but that's gonna be it for today's video. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.